Hello all pharmacists. If you have come down to this video, most likely you are confused about which destination to choose for your career abroad. But nothing to worry about. We have got your back. Greetings and welcome back to Academically. I am Priyanka and in today's video we are going to compare two well-known destinations for pharmacists, which is Oman and Dubai. Which is better for you and why? But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos on healthcare careers and international job prospects. And with that, let's kick things off by exploring Oman for pharmacists. Oman is one of the best countries for pharmacists as it offers several benefits such as high salaries, good work-life balance and a tax-free income. However, if you wish to work there, you need to pass the Omani examination for pharmacists, which is also known as OPE exam. So let's now check if you are eligible for that. So number one, you must hold a pharmacy degree, which is B Pharm, Pharm D or M Pharm, and registration as a pharmacist in home country. Also, an experience of 3 years or more in a hospital or retail pharmacy without any gap is required. Okay, so the good part about Oman is that there are no language requirements to be eligible for this exam. And now if you are feeling confident to be eligible, here are the steps to move forward in this process. So firstly, you need to get your documents verified by the Oman Medical Specialty Board, which is OMSB, and this is also known as the PSV procedure, and it is mandatory to be able to take this exam. Now, after completing the primary source verification, which is PSV, next comes the registration for the Oman Prometric exam, which is OPE. And for this, you need to upload all your documents and pay a fee of 110 OMR, which is 23,910 Indian rupees. Now, after clearing the exam, you must find a job in Oman online from your home country. Now, post that, you need to get documents attested by the Oman embassy in your country, and then you will be granted a visa. And when you reach Oman, your employer will sponsor your accommodation while you prepare for the Viva exam conducted in Oman itself. And after passing your exam, you can start working as a pharmacist in Oman. Now, the next very common question must be if it's really worth your time and efforts. I'll tell you. Here are the salary insights and job opportunities available in Oman. So the pharmacist in Oman makes approximately 600 Riyal, which is nearly equal to 1.3 lakh INR per month as a fresher, and has to earn up to 1000 Riyal, which is 2.1 lakh per month INR based on the knowledge and skills that you have. Also, there are plenty of jobs available in Oman in different domains and roles such as community pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, clinical pharmacist, consultant pharmacist and many more. Okay, so now coming up next is the city of gold. Excited about the opportunity to work in Dubai? Well, let's dive right in. The growing healthcare system in Dubai has an increasing demand for several healthcare professionals, including pharmacists. To manage the staff shortage in Dubai, healthcare professionals worldwide can become a registered pharmacist in Dubai easily. To become a pharmacist in Dubai, you must clear the DHA exam for pharmacist, and also the Prometric conducts the Dubai Health Authority exam and assesses the pharmacist's knowledge and skills. So the DHA Prometric is your portal to a pool of opportunities in healthcare industry in Dubai. You can write this exam from your home country by finding the Prometric exam center closest to you. Are you eligible to take this exam? Let's find out. So you must be number one, holding a B Pharm, Pharm D or M Pharm degree. Number two, having a minimum of 2 years of experience in retail or hospital pharmacy. And number third, a registered pharmacist in your home country. And now to apply for this exam and start working in Dubai as a pharmacist, there are generally 5 steps which are listed on your screens. Now head to the link in the description box for course details and best preparation courses available at Academically. Now after all this, is Dubai really worth the pain? Let's check out the job opportunities available there. Now, pharmacists in Dubai can work in hospital pharmacies, clinical research areas, and pharmaceutical companies as well, earning average salary of 24 lakh Indian rupees per year. For Dubai, the high demand for pharmacists, favorable work-life balance, and opportunities in various locations make it a perfect fit to migrate. However, are you still feeling confused about where to start and how? Well, come to Academically. Academically offers the best preparation courses for Oman as well as Dubai to kickstart your career abroad. You can get direct links to the courses in the description box below. Also, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with our experts today, and don't forget to ask us about the scholarship programs specially available to you. I wish you all well as you pursue your goal of becoming a pharmacist in Oman or Dubai. I'll see you soon in the next video, but till then, take care, happy studies, and bye-bye.